Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the hinge area and the strike plate. Identify stripped screws, rust, or warped frame. Once you see the issue, grab a 1/4 drill, penetrating oil, Phillips driver, new screws, and shims. This speeds repairs. Loosen rusted fasteners with oil and a few firm taps. Make sure to support the door so it won't sag. Do not waste time. Address the most damaged hinge first, then move systematically to the next. Once done loosening and removing old screws, drive 3 screws through the hinge into the stud. This restores pull-out strength. If the door sags, insert thin shims behind the hinge leaf to lift the jamb, then tighten screws gradually so alignment stays. For sticks caused by swelling, plane, or sand the edge a little at a time, test the swing after each pass. Make controlled adjustments. If hardware binds, back out, reposition a shim. Then you finish by replacing the weather strip and adjusting the strike plate so the latch enters without force. File the plate if needed. Then seal any exposed metal and wood with paint or rust inhibitor to prevent recurrence. If the door still jams, use a 2-foot level to check jam plumb and the frame square, replane high spots, or remove more material in small amounts. A key troubleshooting tip: if latch won't engage, loosen hinges slightly. Small shifts often solve misalignment without major refit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.